Worship, worship, worship. Imagine a grand temple filled with people bowing their heads in reverence before a statue. That image captures the core meaning of the worship. It means to show reverence and adoration for a deity or sacred object. It involves deep respect, love, and often ritualistic practices. It can also be used figuratively to describe intense admiration or devotion for someone or something. Examples: 1. They gathered every Sunday to worship God. This refers to the act of religious devotion and prayer. 2. He worshipped his father and always sought his approval. This shows a deep respect and admiration for his father. Now, how can we remember the word worship? One way is to break it down. While the etymology is complex, you can think of worth being part of worship. When you worship something, you are ascribing great worth to it. You are valuing it above other things. That's it for today. Thanks for the company. See you around.